So real quick, we're not quite there yet, but for reference, I'm 6'4". Behind me, that is the Giant 40K. They finished this, I think it was last year, and they had a big ceremony to open it. It charged $30 for us to just come and see this. We wanted to go, but because we were busy at the time, we couldn't. But oh man, look at that. Hey, this is just huge. Look at the drawbar pin hitch, Dad.
Yeah.
You'd have no dramas hooking that up. Yeah. Oh man.